Actually, hindi natin dapat pag-usapan yung nangyari kay Rupa dito sa press ko nito. May mga pangyayari nangyari sa buhay namin at involved si Rupa. So, panoorin nyo na lang. It's gonna be shown on TV. Yun na.
I'm so happy you care pala for me, Mom. I don't even care anymore.
Maski ayaw ko nga eh. Dila ko na lang siya sa kwarto. Mas mag-isa lang ako kasi na-realize ko na mahirap para pag-anak eh.
Ano rin, okay na yun. I-video na namin. So, panoorin na rin namin yung episodes. So, Rufa,
Hindi ka lang sinasabi ng Rufa yan eh.
So,
Wala di siya, baka hindi ta. The next day ako kung is before. Pakakamumunta!
So, let's see, si Rufa, anong sabi po doon sa...
Well, of course, I will always be concerned about what's happening in Turkey. And hindi mawawala yun that during in Venice, a big part of them is still there. So, nung nabalitaan ko yun, syempre naging concerned ako. I reached out to the Bektash family and I asked if they were okay. And I'm very thankful na wala nangyari sa kanila. So, I think with what's happening around the world now, that we should really love each other and realize that life is short. It's not only in Turkey, but with everything that's happening now, talagang kailangan siguro isipin natin kung ano mga importante sa buhay natin and make sure that we spend and live our lives in the best way that we possibly can.
Oo, iba yung hugot ng biyak mo kanina, para talagang iba yung pinagagalingan. So, without getting into details, so nagkaroon ba ng parang life and death situation or medical emergency or aksidente sa set habang nag-shoot?
Ako na lang sasagot kasi baka makikita na naman si Mom for the second time. Hindi, ang nangyari kasi we had a major medical situation kay ate and it happened in the middle of the night and we had to call the ambulance early morning and we had to call the ambulance and yun, medyo nakakatakot yung nangyari sa kanya. Pero luckily nandun yung mga kids para tumulong. So, medyo na-highlight din namin yung details sa episodes naman.
Oo, so obviously may pagka-traumatic Tita Annabelle yung nangyari. So, Rupa nabanggit niya na parang third, sabi niya. So, meron ng mga gano'ng pagkakataon before?
Well, kasi kung ano nangyari sa akin, up to now, it's still very puzzling. At hindi ko rin talaga masabi kasi hindi ko nakita, hindi ko alam na nangyayari yun.
Well, she doesn't really remember what happened, so when it happened to her, of course, I was concerned. But there's only so much I could do, so I called Tito Richard and I decided to call an ambulance and just bring her to the hospital. But yeah, it was very scary. It was scary. Thankfully, she's okay now.
Actually lang to, bagong-bago lang. Kasi parang si Tita, si Tita Annabelle parang hindi maka-recover. Ano yung na-realize na parang hindi niya araw kaya mawala? Ikaw may realization ka rin ba doon sa after what happened?
Actually, confused pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. And we're still trying to solve it. Basta we're trying to solve the situation. Hindi pa namin na solve. So anyway, That's it. But I just realized that basically life is short and sabi ko, make the most of it. Kasi before you know it, today masaya ka, tomorrow wala ka na. So, love the people that you're with and make sure that they know that you love them. And in 1 second, everything can be taken away from you. So, always be happy, be healthy, and love one another.
Ayun. Thank you.
I'm actually surprised na ganun pala ka-emotional si Mommy. Sometimes, hindi niya yung may papalabas and she doesn't really show how she feels.
Panganay ka kasi.
Yeah, nga.
Dahil yung iyak niya.
But I remember when na-hospital ako, I saw na umiyak siya. So, naiyak din ako noon.
Wala siya noon nung nangyari.
Dumating na lang siya sa hospital.
Kasi siya witness eh. Gusto niyang may mangyari. Gusto siya makatulong. Ang wala siyang magawa.
Opo kasi.
Nasa ano lang niya sa lupang. Ito sa ano.
Unconscious.
Hindi na nakarga niya sa lupang. Ang ganyan siya sa amin. Wala na talaga.
Hindi ka sabi mo kanina parang for 5 minutes na wala na ng hininga si Rupa.
Ano ko nga dead na eh. Kaya sabi ko kaya isilin yung ano, madaliri. Sila may take. Sila benes, sila take. Nadiri, wala pa rin nangyari.
Hindi ba yung mga doktor ba? Parang in-announce din nila na for a while na wala nang hininga si Rupa.
Ewan ko, kasi sabi ko kasi nung visitors allowance ka confidential kasi kami mga hospital dun sa sabi ko kasi sometimes may mga press pala doon. Sabi ko, wala mga galing.